Hey, what's up, Financial Freedom Nation? So I just spent the day driving around Stockton, California. I'm actually heading back to Berkeley now. For those of you who don't know, Stockton is about halfway between San Francisco and Sacramento. So this is my office, guys, my mobile office. I spent the day shopping for big ticket items, and some of the best investments on the planet. I'm talking about residential real estate. I got about 50 houses that I took pictures of, so I have 50 postcards going out, and I only made it about 20% of the way through my list. I've got a list of 250 approximately vacant houses in Stockton. I'm going to try to make it through the rest of those in the next week. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update from the office here in Stockton. It's great, air conditioned, I got the radio blasting. It's fun stuff, guys. And the cool thing is anyone can do this business, right? I mean, there's vacant houses all over the country where the owners are paying taxes on them and they're just not getting any benefit from them at all. And those are, some of those owners are happy to sell if you reach out to them. So, if you guys are looking for a different field to get into, I highly recommend residential real estate. All right, guys, I'm going to pay attention to traffic here, and I'll see you next time.